Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful, fun-filled episode of Watch Me Wrench with your host, Mr. Wrench. Okay, so this is just going to be a quick video. It's mid-March right now. It's been absolutely freezing in New York. It's like a record-breaking winter as far as the temperatures. It's been freezing. So I haven't been filming. I just wanted to make a quick video, let you guys know that I'm still alive. And I have been working on the car, and the car is getting ready for the track this year. I hope to attend some half-mile events, some road racing events, and I hope to hit the drag strip too as well. And I'm getting ready, and I purchased some new safety equipment. And everything is basically from Racequip. And no, they're not sponsoring me or anything. This is just the product that I bought. So over here we have a neck brace, or a collar brace. It was only about $35. I got it from Amazon. And basically this will restrict, how much, in the event of a crash, it'll restrict how much your neck will move forward or backwards or from left to right. So we got the neck brace. That was $35. We got a Racequip helmet. This helmet was $200. This was the most expensive item. It's pretty simple. It's black, as you can tell. It's DOT certified. And it's Snell certified, SA 2015. This is not foggy. This just has a protective clear plastic over it right now. And it lifts up. I put it on earlier, and the only thing I saw that concerned me was, as soon as you close the visor, and you take a deep breath, it fogged up, but I don't know if it'll happen in the summer. Maybe perhaps because it's currently 20 degrees here in New York. And I'm exhaling at a much warmer temperature. But we'll see what happens. I would like to keep the visor down, but worst case scenario, I guess I got to keep it up. Alright, so the third item I bought is a fire jacket. This is a 3-layer fire jacket from Racequip. This was $175. It's SFI certified. And all the items seem to be well made. I tried on the jacket. And it fit comfortably. And hopefully it'll keep me safe. So I know this was a boring video, and I apologize, but I haven't been doing much filming. So hopefully soon, if this weather breaks, take the car out and have some fun. That's basically it, ladies and gentlemen. Again, thank you for watching. If you have any comments, leave them below. Please click the like and subscribe button, and if you could give me a thumbs up, I appreciate it. Thank you very much, and have a great day.